Can you see this? This beauty? We are going to make something from this. I upload videos every Sunday on YouTube, so make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so today's video is a little bit more interesting because I'm going to use this reflective ribbon. So basically this is a type of a fabric and it looks something like this when lights are on, and if I switch off the lights it would look something like this. Fabric is so mesmerizing. I love the way it looks, but mostly this fabric is used in the sportswear or the utility wears, and you guys might have seen that because at night time when workers work by wearing this type of outfit, so the vehicles which gives that flashlight onto the workers' clothes, then they would see that reflective light from that fabric. So this is the main reason people use this fabric. Today's video is going to be super amazing because I'm going to use this fabric on my cap, which is totally black in color, plain black cap. Plus I'm going to use this fabric on my top, which is of totally white color. I don't know about the top because it has that sheer material on it which might or might not hold this fabric plus glue on it. So let's see how it goes and let's get into the video.
Okay, so for this, the supplies I need are reflective fabric ribbon, fabric glue, pencil, scissor, cap and top. To start with the process, I'm taking my cap and getting rough idea on which design would look good. So reflective fabric always have two sides. Inside is the one which is non-reflective and outside is the one which is reflective. Using pencil, I started making a patch on the inside part of the ribbon, cutting it off using a scissor, and my patch is ready. Now placing it onto the cap and sticking it using a fabric glue. Ready, which looks something like this when lights off and flash on. Next, moving on to the top, I thought of making mosaic patch. So for that, I'm cutting small uneven size of circles from the ribbon. You can use to cut this circle. You just have to fold it into the half and cut it off. I would get something like this. Now taking the top, being it very sheer on the outside, so I thought of inserting the newspaper inside the top so that it won't get stick onto the other layers. I just marked the center part of the top and form a rough idea on how my patch would look. Then taking the fabric glue and sticking each of the tiny circles. So here's how it looks. Turn off lights and flash on. It looks so mesmerizing and I just cannot wait to do the try on of these things.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever never trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any reflective fabric on any of your old clothes, you can utilize that fabric onto your disco wears or somewhere where you love to use them. And if you do this, then do tag me on my Instagram handle, which is Meera Galeria. You can check that out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, you know the drill. Do like, comment and subscribe to this channel and press the bell